Hey, what's going on, guys? Mike, aka Crypto Jewels. Hey, a couple quick housekeeping items real fast before we hop into VRA, Verasity. I want to quickly show you guys. So as I had promised you all, if you guys have been following me since I started this channel and since I've been on Twitter, I had promised to basically build out a platform and a service for you guys that has a lot of free data on it. I am compiling all of my free resources that I'm providing you guys on my website here at cryptojewels.io, and it's under this Treasury Trove tab here. And this is where I will start to accumulate all the different free resources that I'm putting out. I've got the risk management guide to profit, which basically goes over your risk management strategy, how to develop one, how to develop a risk management strategy, what risk management is, and really the basics and fundamentals of developing a good, consistently profitable trading skill set and foundation is with your risk management. And then I've got my favorite trade setup, which is basically the trade setup that I use quite frequently all the time. It is my most profitable trade setup that I use, point blank. And then I have got what RSI is and how I use it. Each one of these links will take you to basically a page where you can put your email address in, and it will send you all of the information. These all have detailed video guides and explanations of each little cheat sheet that I've given you. So make sure you guys check that out. And the other thing I wanted to talk about was I have partnered with shrimpy.io, who is a reputable copy trading platform and risk management portfolio service. Really cool service. It allows you to basically put all of your combined portfolios. If you've got Coinbase, KU Coin, Binance, if you have assets on all of those different exchanges, this allows you to manage it all within that one account, so you can see everything when you guys log in. What you're looking at here is my dashboard. So this is my trading platform. I use it 100% for you guys to do copy trading. So that's another thing you guys can do is once you are on here, you guys can follow my social account. And basically, once you guys follow it, it will suck all of your assets into basically the assets that I'm in, and it will trade how I trade. So as this thing started, this is the entire history of the account. I started it back on May 4th, I believe, is right here. And since then, it has gone up 43%. My goal on this account is to basically have consistent profits of about 10% per month. So it's been a little over 2 months and I'm at 43% already. So as you guys know, or as you can see, I am way ahead of schedule and way ahead of target. But if you guys have interest in joining the copy trade platform on Shrimpy, you guys can check that out again on my website. I have a tab here, copy trading platform, and I have several different hyperlinks that can take you to my referral code, which will give you 30% off of your platform fees. So Shrimpy does charge a very small platform fee. I think it's like $9-10 a month, something like that. This, if you click on my link, you'll get 30% off of those fees per month. And then I do get a kickback on basically the monthly fees that you have that you're paying. So it's a way to thank me if you guys don't pay for any of my services that I do provide, and you guys want to do something simple like hopping in, putting $500 and just watching it grow magically as I trade for you. That is one thing that I am really starting to push, and I'm really starting to become more active there because I really like the platform and I think it provides a lot of value for the people that really, aren't looking to trade a whole lot and just want to be exposed to some crypto assets with somebody who knows what they're doing. All right, so enough of all that. Let's hop into the VRA chart. So we will start here on VRA on the macro count. This is the daily. And as of right now, this entire structure, we've got a full 3-wave structure in place. We've got a 1, 2, 3, and what I believe is a WXY, putting in a 4-wave, and then I believe we will have a 5th wave up. That 5th wave could take us all the way anywhere from 20 cents to 90 cents. I know that's an extreme swing, but that's the way crypto works, and those are my targets. So basically, once it hits 20 cents, that's where if I was swing trading this and just holding as an investor, that's where I would start taking my first profits. I'm not going to get into detail on that, but anyways, that's where I see this thing going. And as you can see, we have busted out of this divergence here. That we had a bullish divergence on the daily, working for about 2 months. It finally came to a head, popped out of it, and let's see where we're at on a lower time frame and what we can expect potentially. All right, so this has my micro count on it here. I believe where we're at is we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4. We're working on the 5th wave now. This 5th wave should take us up to about 0.007 cents or so is the way I'm seeing this currently. And then from there, we should have a ABC retracement anywhere from 0.44 to 0.0044 to 0.051 is where I would imagine this thing to retrace to. And once that retraces into that zone and we get that ABC correction and we hold and we break it back above the origin of this, the ending point of this 1 wave, we should see a 3, a 4, and a 5. That 3 should take us up to about 1.1 cents roughly, which if we start averaging into this green box, if it does indeed get there, that's 130% roughly. And then a 4 and a 5 all the way up to basically 1.5 cents. That would be our first macro 1 wave or higher degree 1 wave of a higher degree trend. So basically this thing would turn into a larger degree 1 wave like so forth and so on, taking us to our initial target. It would look something like this. So that lines up pretty well from a fib standpoint. This would be some sort of an extension to get to 20 cents. And obviously to get to 90 cents, we would need an extreme extension. So it is possible, but we'll see what happens. And if we do get even just the lower targets, just for fun, from here where we're at, let's throw that's a 3,200% gain just from where we're at right now. So either way, as you guys can see, we've got plenty of upside potential. Whether or not we make those targets or not, we'll see. I will continue to update these videos as we go. See you all later.